In today's exercise, I'm going to show you how to do a lateral shuffle with super bands. Now, this is a great exercise that activates the quads, hamstrings, and also the glutes. All right. So first thing you need is a pair of super bands. Now, there's two types of super bands out there. You have the ankle super band, and then you have like a body super band or a monster super band. There's different names for these things. Now, if you have a partner that's training with you, you could definitely use this one, the monster super band, because how the exercise will be demonstrated will be, your partner is going to hold this end and then pull, all right? And then when performing the exercise, just a quick demonstration, you want to squat all the way down, just like this, and then shuffle laterally, okay? And when you're shuffling laterally, as you saw, I'm bringing my feet just halfway in and then all the way out, just like that, while I'm staying low in that position, all right? Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it with the ankle super band, which most likely if you're watching this video, you're probably going to be using this one anyways, but I like showing both just in case if you have a workout partner with you. All right. With the ankle super band, when performing the exercise, I'm going to go ahead and come all the way over here. You want to squat all the way down once again, like I showed in the beginning. Now in this position, as you can see, I'm staying all the way down like this, and you want to stay in this position while moving laterally, okay? Really keep the chest up, really push your butt out, all right? So now I'm going to demonstrate the exercise in real motion. And as you see, I have my hands in a pistol position. This is being used as a counterweight so I don't fall all the way back. So squat all the way down. Like I said, with the feet halfway in, all the way out. This is going to keep tension in my glutes. And this exercise really targets the glutes. So you're really going to feel it mostly in the glutes when doing this exercise. And now I'm going to go ahead and go back. And when I'm doing this exercise, as you can see, I'm not coming up. So I'm not coming up like that, all right? Don't do that in the shuffle. I want you to stay down, because if you stay down, it's going to keep the glutes activated. And if you're trying to build your glutes, time under tension. So the exercise is supposed to be hard, all right? And you're going to feel that burning sensation, especially if it's your first time doing this exercise. This is how you do lateral shuffles with a super band.